Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Lay Johnson. If this is your first time here, I don't know how you found me. I don't know how out in the world you found this little bitty channel, but I'm so hyped that you did. I'm so happy that you're here. While you're here, you might as well go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're new. But if you are returning and have been rocking out with me for a little while, what's up, what's good? Welcome back. I appreciate you. I adore you. I'm happy to have you. Just like the title says, I'm going to be testing out these Santeva Beauty products. So major shout out to Santeva Beauty for sending me these products to test out today. So their products focus on hyperpigmentation, which is something that I struggle with. And they are a luxury skincare brand. So I'm really excited to test out these two products that they sent. So I have the Santeva Detoxifying Scrub. This is what it looks like. And then I also have the 24K Gold Dead Sea Mud Mask. Comes in this cute little jar. So it is the end of the day. It's time to wash this makeup off. So I'm really excited. And just give you guys my honest reaction and how I feel about them. So if you guys want to see how I like these Santeva Beauty products, keep on watching. I just always feel like before using like any type of scrub or anything, you always want to like clean your face. I don't like to just go straight in with the scrub. So I just put my micellar water on a towel and I just scrub my face. Now that my skin is dry and clean, I'm gonna take the scrub. So it says to use the scrub on dry skin. So I'm gonna just follow the instructions for the first time. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So far, it smells really good. It smells like it's like coffee in it or something. But so far, it smells really good, and it's not really like a harsh exfoliant. Like, you know, it feels very light. It feels like it's something that you can definitely use like quite a few times a week. Definitely. I'm gonna let this sit for 3 minutes because it said to let it sit for 3 minutes, so I'm gonna be obedient and follow it to the T. So far it feels really nice on my skin. I do feel a little bit of tingling, and I don't know if that's because I used micellar water beforehand, but I do feel a little bit of like tingly sensation, but it's not like painful or anything like that. It promotes skin brightening. So for areas like, for me, I have hyperpigmentation, as you can see, under my eyes, my eyelids, and around my mouth. So this is really, really good for people who are trying to get that, you know, one even skin tone. So I'm really excited about that. Another thing is, like I said, it goes on really, really smooth, and it kind of, I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see the little beads, but they smell like coffee. I don't know if they use coffee. It doesn't say coffee in the ingredients, so oh, it does. It says coffee. Oh, so it's a coffee scrub. Oh my gosh, I love coffee scrubs. I'm so excited. I can't believe I read over that. I'm really like slow a little bit. I'm like, it smells like coffee, and the whole time it's coffee in the daggone child. But so far, so good. I'm gonna go rinse this off and let you guys know how I feel. So now I'm just gonna take a warm rag and wipe this off ever so gently. So this is my skin right after using the scrub. My skin feels really firm. It's a little dry. My skin feels a little dry. But other than that, it feels very firm. It even looks brighter like already. So now I'm gonna go in with the 24K Gold Mask. I love 24 karat gold masks, so I'm really excited to test this out. Alright y'all, so just wanted to give you a quick update on the mask. So I'm about to go wash it off. It's coming up on 15 minutes. And when I first put it on, it was kind of burning a little bit. Like for a couple seconds, I was like, I think I'm about to go wash this off now. Because, oh, that's my timer. I gotta wash this off. I'll be right back. So this is my skin right after the mask. It feels really plump and it feels really, really good. My skin looks bright, my skin looks great. So my final thoughts are that I feel like these products are definitely high quality. Like they say that they are luxury products on their website. They advertise luxury, and you definitely get that feel when you're using these products. So if you're looking for something a little more on the high end, these are definitely something that I would recommend. And they're very reasonably priced to be luxury skincare. One thing I really liked about the 24K gold mask was that my skin felt very firm afterwards. My skin felt very bright afterwards, so I really enjoyed that. And then the detoxifying scrub, my only con I would say is that my skin did feel very like dried out after I used it, and that's really not usual when I use exfoliants. I use exfoliants all the time, and this one really left my skin feeling pretty dried out. But I do love that it was coffee, and I do love how bright my skin looked afterwards. And it also went on really well, and it had a really, really nice smell to it. So those are my final thoughts on the Santeva Beauty products. And if you guys want to cop up on any of these Santeva Beauty products, I will definitely leave a link in the description box just for you so you can grab your own. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much my experience with these. So let me know. So why don't y'all start sounding off in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys have used any of these products before, or if you've heard of this brand. Let's sound off in the comment section. What are your thoughts? What are your ideas? Also, guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see. I have so much more like reviews and content coming up in the future. So if you guys want to see what new products I'm using, what things I'm testing out, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and definitely don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload. And also, guys, I am on my road to 3,000 subscribers, and I really, I know, I used to say I think you can help me get there, but I know that you can help me get there. So please go ahead and tap that subscribe button while you're here. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That is my review on these Santeva Beauty products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.